Good morning, everyone. How is everyone this morning? It is getting quite frisky, so I'm not sure about you guys, but here it's really starting to be cold. And yes, so I hope that you are on the other side of the planet and that it's actually getting warmer for you. But for me, it's definitely getting colder and colder. So today is a very important day simply because we have an aspect that is very important. We've got the sun, which is the self, which is in accordance, in a very good aspect with Venus. And Venus, it's all about love, creativity as well. It can be seen like that, but it's all about relationship and love, self-love as well. That works really well with that as well. And yes, anything to do with relationship and sharing and knowing also about yourself, who you are, what you want to do. And I was seeing quite a few of you saying, okay, how can I do that? How can I lift myself up? How can I know who I am? So nothing will ever replace a chart simply because a chart is the perfect image of where those energies were, the aspects that were there when you were born. So it's like a photography of all the energies that created you or you were created under. So nothing can be more mathematics or more specific than that. But I've been thinking about something, and I did share the other day, a while ago, I did share a 5D meditation, and I don't really know actually that guy. I haven't followed him up. I'm going to actually see who he is. He talks about someone that I work with, or I should say her daughter. He talked about Cannon, Dolores Cannon, the quantum physics queen, and I happen to have met Kaya, who works with her, and I actually did an astro travel, so I was with him, and we met much before we actually met in real life, which was a very funny actually meeting, because I saw him, described him to my friend and everything, and talked about him, and then 6 months later, in the middle of Ubud, in a rice field where there was no one, he appeared at about 5 or 6 a.m. saying, hey, hi, we've already met each other, I love your energy, we're going to be working together. So that was an interesting meeting. But when you do astro travel, that happens because time in that case doesn't really matter. You can meet before or after, you know, we don't have that timeline that has been man-made. So I'm going to talk about that actually. The idea is that we work on a 3D. We have been raised on a 3D. That's the way the world functions, which is not who we are. We are 5D human beings with energy, so a lot of things that cannot be explained yet, like astrology. That's why I give so much, you know, with the stars and daily, weekly, to prove that it does work, that you will get affected. Like for the moment, there's no one on the road. We are in plenty of the retrogrades, you know, not all of them yet, but, you know, every morning, instead of taking that much time, all the roads are empty. And you can see how much it has come down, right? So that is all those retrogrades coming down. And even yourself, you might be feeling it, you know. Everything is kind of calmer or harder even to do, and that is normal if that's the case. So I really want you to learn how to be into the 5D, because that's what I do all the time, because of the travels that I do, that it is, you know, in my meditation consciousness, or you know, during the night or things like that. But that's something that you can also do. I can also help you to do that. Why? Because even if it won't give you the precision of a chart, it won't tell you exactly everything that you need to know. Especially, you know, if you do it on 7, I use 7 supports, so it's extremely precise, but that doesn't mean that you cannot know who you are as a person, and that you cannot lift up or see your guides that are going to help you to know also your mission and what you've got to do. So today I'm going to be sharing a link. I've already shared it a while ago. I'm going to share it again because it's something that you really need to be working on. What's happening is, since last week, we actually had a split. So there's the people with that tower that I talked about, with everything in Capricorn. There's the people that are going that way, and that's you're really going to see it by February next year. It's actually shifting. So it's all those stars that we are seeing that are in Capricorn, holding and holding, you know, with the power, with, you know, you need to do things and function and be, you know, kind of almost robotic. And then you can see already that split with the people saying, no, we are in consciousness, we want to be free with our body, vaccine, no vaccine, doing what we think is right for the planet Earth, doing what is right for us. And you can see it, you know, there's already that big split. The people who will have gone on that side, it's going to be very hard to actually go to the 5D, because that split is going to really at one stage crumble, you know, because it's going to go towards, so even though that side will win, because that's where we are going towards, you want to be ready. So there's different ways of being ready, and yes, it's obviously searching, you know, really who you are and what is your purpose is, and it's to organize your programs and your work and what you want to do in the future, and your place, what you are going to take, the place you are going to take, and how you are going to be working with the people in the future. That is extremely important to be clear as far as that is concerned, and your place into this world, but also to help you to get there, or to have your guides, or to be having signs and help, because sometimes you might need to have help. That 5D meditation is a very important one, because it will help you. So it's a simple one, but it's great because you don't have to think about it. And yes, I strongly suggest to do it 21 days in a row, because it takes about 21 days, 3 weeks to change a habit, consciously or unconsciously. It's the way we have been programmed. It's the big 3 weeks again. So yeah, it would be really good if you could do it. You just do it before you go to sleep, for example, and you just put it on. It doesn't bother anyone. You're just going to go to sleep anyway, and it will take you there, and it will help you to actually lift up. And you will see things changing around you. As soon as you are in a 5D dimension, things start shifting, and they start being completely different around you. But not only around you, but also for the people, well, not only for you, but the people around you as well. So yeah, you take on your family, you take on everyone with you in that energy. So it's really nice to see the way people shift, and the way people are going to gravitate around you, or want to be with you, or, you know, things like that, or yeah, want to live with you even, you know. I always have people that want to come home and stay with us and stuff like that, because it actually creates that. Or my kids that get elected, you know, because they rise up with a high frequency, with gratitude, or 5D. So it's really important to stay there, because that will explain a lot of things that are happening to you. It will make sense as well. It will help you. So that plus astrology, plus to know where the stars are every day or every week at least, it will all make sense, because 5D is there, but we're still living in this frequency. So we're still affected by the stars here into this planet. So it's very good to know both, because it really helps you. So that's it. So that is the first thing. The second thing is that it's going to be an awesome night to have a date. So tonight or tomorrow night, I cannot stress enough, like, just go for it. Like, make time, find a nanny, do something if you've got kids, and just make that time with your loved ones. You're really going to have a great time. So if you can organize that tonight or tomorrow night, both nights are good, because the Sun, the Self, and Venus, but with your loved one that you already know. That again, it's important, because if that's a new relationship, you won't go where you want to go, because with Venus retrograde, Jupiter retrograde, and so Mercury retrograde, that's not going to be the best for you and your future. So that's it. So do that. I will put the link of that meditation. So if you want to be ready for where we are going, because there's going to be a really big shift between where we are at now and next year, where we're going. So you want to be ready. You want to go, you know, that way. Could be the other way, mind you. I'm just saying that way, but it's just, yeah, because, you know, clockwise. So I'm doing it like that. Even though a chart actually go the other way around, but me, I see us turning clockwise. So that's why I'm saying that. But anyway, do that. Have a great day. Enjoy. Be with your loved ones. Organize a night dinner. It can be your kids as well. It doesn't need to be a partner. Anyone that you love. Spend a great time. I will. I'm going to have an awesome night tonight with my kids. And yes, have an awesome day. And I shall see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.